welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. Today we are making a classic Italian-American eggplant parmigiana. A few videos ago, in one of my previous videos, I made for you my classic Italian eggplant parmigiana. And I received so many comments from so many of you. Thank you so much. I so appreciate your comments. And we had a lovely discussion about how different eggplant parmigiano can be all over in the different regions of Italy. So my previous video was my classic Italian parmigiana. No breading, no egg, no flour. Just the eggplant, the parmigiano, and my classic red sauce. Today, I'm making for you our good old Italian-American eggplant parmigiano. Who doesn't love that? We've got flour, we've got egg wash, we've got breadcrumbs, and we get a delicious, crunchy eggplant that we layer with my classic red sauce, mozzarella, and parmigiano, because remember, we Italian-Americans love our cheeses. So, let's go. I've got my stations all set up for you here. Andiamo. I have my breadcrumbs, my 4 beaten eggs, flour, and then later we're going to be using the mozzarella and the parmigiano. I've drained my eggplant. What does that mean? Watch my video for my tips, but I let it cry, as we say in Italian. Far la melanzane piangere, because you know eggplant is full of bitter juices. So you have to let it sit in a colander in your sink for about 30 minutes, sliced and layered with coarse sea salt. Then you rinse it and you have this beauty right here. Cleaned, drained eggplant, no bitter juices. And I guarantee your eggplant dishes that way come out delicious every time. This is what we do. We take our slice of eggplant in the flour, in the egg wash, in the breadcrumb, and right into the oil, much like we do with a chicken cutlet. Flour, egg wash, breadcrumb. As you can see, this is different from my previous video of the Italian eggplant parm, which was just the plain eggplant right in the oil. So this is a little, some people find it a little more tasty. It's thicker, it comes out thicker than the plain eggplant, which is just in the oil. The plain eggplant, the Italian version, can be considered, I think, a little more delicate, maybe more elegant. But this is an all-time favorite. There's so much that you can do with the Italian-American eggplant parmigiano. A favorite thing in my family is to take a nice ciabatta or a loaf of Italian bread and slice it, toast it, and make a nice eggplant parmigiano sandwich. So there are lots of things you can do. Eating it plain in a casserole, the way we're gonna make it today, that's delicious too. So here we go. Now the eggplant are getting nice and crisp. So we're going to flip them till they get golden on the other side. And that's what we want. Look how beautiful the breadcrumbs crisp up. And that's what we want. We just want beautiful golden eggplant on both sides. Then I will drain them on a paper towel. We'll do all the eggplant like this, and then we're going to begin our layering. We have fried all of our beautiful, look at this gorgeousness. These are our eggplant in flour, egg wash, and breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs with the Italian seasonings. So this is our Italian-American version of eggplant parmigiano. So now we're going to start with the assembly. So as you saw from my previous video, for the Italian parmigiano, eggplant parmigiano, we didn't have any breadcrumbs, no flour, parmigiana. But here we start with the Italian-American, okay? So we're going to just layer our fried eggplant in the breadcrumbs, in the flour, in the egg wash. And now we're going to add a few more things because we like our cheeses in our Italian-American dishes. Make this nice and ample. A little more tomato sauce. You're gonna get 2 or 3 casseroles out of the number of, I used 4 eggplant. So you're going to get more because of the thickness. Now we've got some lovely shredded mozzarella. So we're going to put the shredded mozzarella on, and then beautiful layered Parmigiano Reggiano. We're going to do a nice thick layer, ample layer of that. And now we repeat with the eggplant. So this is the Italian-American version with the egg wash, the flour, and then as I mentioned before, this is very good in a panino or a sandwich, and I'm going to show you how I make those as well. But this basically you're just going to bake at 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, because the eggplant are fully cooked. You just want to get them nice and piping hot and have the cheeses melt. So we're going to do that at 350. And it is delicious. You know, this is such a hearty dish that you can serve it as a side, but quite frankly, it's a dinner or a lunch, a pranzo. So some mozzarella, because we love our cheeses. Some Parmigiano. This is a hearty dish. And I think we can fit one more layer here. And then you can use your fingers, use a fork. It's a little more, goes a little more quickly, of course, when you use your fingers. But we have this delicious crunchiness on the eggplant. And you know, some people prefer it that way. It's a matter of personal choice. Both of them are delicious. In my opinion, you can't go wrong with eggplant no matter what you do. I'm a Sicilian girl, we love our eggplant. Okay, so a little more tomato sauce because this is the top layer. I'm gonna put a little more tomato sauce on, top it with our cheeses, and bake. And then we'll see this golden deliciousness after it bakes. Yum. Parmigiano, eccolo. Che bellezza. What a beauty. Parmigiano in all the corners, and into the oven it goes. So another one of Lisa's tips. This is what I make for my children and they love them. I make an Italian-American eggplant parmigiana sandwich, or panino. So what I do is I take these wonderful ciabatta rolls. So you can buy a regular loaf of ciabatta or Italian bread, but I like the rolls like this. And then I have here a brick, just a regular brick from my garden that I cover with aluminum foil. I use this on my grill, I use it on my panini, you could use it on everything. So here we go for the assembly. I take my ciabatta roll and I turn it inside out, okay? So we're gonna put the inside side down, and I've got hot olive oil. Now we're going to put a little bit of tomato sauce, not too much because you don't want it too runny. We're gonna put a little bit of mozzarella, a little bit of Parmigiano. Oh, let's put a little more Parmigiano. And then we're gonna take some pieces of eggplant. Look at that. And then we're going to take the other side. I like to put a little bit of tomato sauce on this one. Upside down. Here comes the brick. We want a panino, nice and flat. 1, 2, 3. And you just let that cook for, I'd say, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side till it gets nice and golden, and you're gonna have the most delectable eggplant parmigiano Italian-American sandwich. Now, don't get me wrong, they have eggplant sandwiches, panini, in Italy too. They don't have all the cheeses, but they're delicious as well. Listen to that sizzle. So there we go. It's beautiful. Look how golden and delicious on each side. And we're just going to plate this. Look at that. Delicious Italian-American eggplant parmigiana panino. Lunch doesn't get any better than this. So we made, after our eggplant parmigiana Italian-American style casserole, while that's cooking, I made a few of my beautiful Italian-American eggplant parmigiano panini. So delicious. And look at this. Look at that goodness. That's the eggplant, the 2 cheeses, and the tomato sauce. Perfect. I taste the eggplant, the crunchy breadcrumbs, just the right amount of tomato sauce, mozzarella, parmigiano. This is a wonderful lunch, wonderful after-school snack. Maybe while you're watching a football game, after raking leaves, you name it. Delicioso, perfetto. So the beautiful Italian-American eggplant parmigiana is cooked. Look at how delicious that is. Because of the cheeses on top and all the cheese, of course, it got nice and crunchy on top and golden. So we'll just lift a piece out so you can see the layers. Remember, this is the Italian-American version, not the Italian version. So we have our egg wash, we have our flour, and our breadcrumbs. Look at that. What a magnificent dish as your primo, as a vegetable for lunch. Nice and hearty, cheesy, delicious eggplant parmigiana, Italian-American style. So, buon appetito, tutti a tavola. Ciao, ciao.